Do your Xterra headlights suck? We can fix that. Bi-LED projectors, plug and play from HID Projectors, are going to give you the best output possible for your Nissan Xterra. They come in all sorts of different colors and options. This one here has more of an OEM-plus look with the black bezel, chrome housing, and chrome shroud. We offer these in all black. We offer them in all chrome. And then we step it up from there with some fancier LED options with switchback angel eyes or color changing angel eyes, or all sorts of daytime running lights. We can get as creative as you want or as stock as you want. Something like this is going to give you all the performance and be super easy to install, and really is going to transform the output on your Xterra from a dull, borderline unsafe output to something that is going to be world class, not blind oncoming traffic, give you a safer experience on the road.